Hello everyone, it's another travel vlog today, and we will be traveling again, but this time I'll be alone. We will be riding the Indian train again from Kerala to Tamil Nadu, and this time I will show you what I did inside the train while traveling solo. So come and join me on Vibre by Anna channel, a Filipina exploring India, traveling to Kerala to Tamil Nadu. So I'm now traveling in the auto with our trusted auto driver. The family knows him. So we're going from our place to the railway station. I'm now here in train station. It is 3:15 in the morning. I'm going to Chennai today. So chart, you will see this is my going to Chennai. So 06628 is the train number. So this is how you check which coach you will be going to. So let's go to platform number 3. So it's towards platform number 3. I'll go there.
യാത്രക്കാരുടെ ശ്രദ്ധയ്ക്ക് ട്രെയിൻ നമ്പർ 066.
So I'm here now in platform number 3 and line number 7 because my coach number is B2. So I have to be here and ride the train. So now I on board in the train and we are moving. So at this time we have to sleep and see what we can do in our 10 hours journey. So after taking a few hours of sleep, I am here and awake again. Couldn't sleep, only few hours sleep I have. So we're going to Chennai, back to Chennai from Kerala because I have to be with my eldest son. He needs to be with someone because his flatmate, supposed to be flatmate, is still not having the offline class. They're still in Kerala. There will be two students that will be with him. So I have to arrange everything in the flat, including purchasing of all his things, groceries, and to arrange the flat and clean it as well. So it's time for us to go there, and I'm traveling alone, and it's actually safe to travel in Indian Railway, provided you will be cautious also, and it is still time of pandemic, so you have to always wear the mask all the time, even if you're inside the train, because you still don't know the people around you, especially that you are traveling alone, and you have to be very cautious at this time. So now we are in 3A class, or the third class AC. So I'm here in 44 lower berth. So in this compartment there are 3 beds. You see lower, one on the lower, and then the middle one, and then the upper one. So on this side also is the same. So there will be upper, then middle, and then lower. And on the side berth there are 2 beds, one lower and then one upper one. So this is the compartment in each row. So it stopped again in one of the railway station, and we're still here in Kerala, and it's actually raining outside, heavily raining outside when we went. It is still morning here on board the train, and I just wanted to breathe the fresh air here in my apartment. So it is really good here outside, and you can feel the freshness of the air while seeing the beauty of the place. It's very nice here actually. It's like I'm a Dora the Explorer here of India. It is nice to see and travel it's actually nice to travel alone. It is safe, and it's quite boring when you're not with someone. But you can have a bit of peace and quiet, so you can have the fresh air. So I'm back inside the compartment, so it's better to see the beauty of the place here in the compartment, and it's more safer. We are now here in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Actually, it is the border of between Kerala and Tamil Nadu states. As you can see, there's still too many coconut trees because it is near to each other. Same as Kerala, there are plenty of coconut trees. So let's just enjoy the beauty of this scenery. And there are too many plantations in this area as well, and mostly there are like cows farms and other farms here in this place. This place is not crowded at all, and the air is still fresh, not full polluted due to coconut trees and other plants and plantation in this area. So let's enjoy the beauty of the scenery while traveling alone, traveling solo here. So nothing to do inside, nothing to do much inside the train. So if you have a mobile, you can just play games or do some work, or you can sleep. Some people are just sleeping inside the train because this is a long journey. It is a 10 hours journey from Kerala to Tamil Nadu. So it's good to just look at the scenery of the place and enjoy it.
Dito tayo sa central ng tren. Makikita nyo, ayan, may mirror, Wi-Fi, ito, mas nag-concession. Nalinis naman siya. Kanina, there's sa public place na CR. Ito, maayos dito kasi isang may tayo. So, pag-ilang bigay na dami, crowded yung area, yung mga compartments. So, kaya kailangan ko yung mag-brush ng ngipin mo na bago tayo kumain, mag-almusal. gutom. Itlog at tubig. Balik na lang ulit ako mamaya. So, yung protocol now, meron silang COVID-19 screening center dito. Station na to. Tirupuri Station. Haba ng pila nila. Pag nagbiyahe ka, kailangan mag-PCR test ka. Pag hindi ka na kapag PCR test, ayan, dun ka nila mismo train station ka magka-COVID RT-PCR test. Yun ang loob. Kailang ayos, magkakadikit na sila. Okay na naman dito sa India, normal na naman. Kunti na lang din naman yung mga cases dahil karamihan ng mga tao dito ay nakavaccine na. So for ano na lang siguro yun, para sumunod sa protocol. Maganda na rin kasi nag-iingat lalo na sa pandemic na yun. Cargo train. These are all steel. Dito tayo sa Aero Junction. Meron mga restaurant dito, non-vegetarian restaurant, saka vegetarian restaurant. Dati ang bilis ng redo. Parang bullet. Regular lang. Sa kami ng tunnel. Ang bilis. Kahit naman noon yung biryani, hindi masyadong ano sa tiyan ko. So, kailangan talaga magbaon. Pag nagbabiyahe ako ng malalayo, kagaya nagpunta kami ng Delhi, nagluluto ako ng adobo para yun ang maging tanghalian at or yun yung pagkain ko. So, yun na. So, kain tayo. Mag-lunch na tayo. Ito yung bawang namin. Yan, adobo. Yan, adobo. Kain tayo. May mga nagtitinda na ng biryani sa train. Pumapasok na yung mga pete. So, yan. Tapos na. Tapos na rin nakan natin. Sarap talaga pag kayo nagbiyahe.
biyahe ka ng pagkain mo yung kinakain mo.
गरम में बिरयानी सर बिरयानी का गरम बिरयानी 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 बिरयानी
It is 3:30 in the afternoon here, and we already reached Tamil Nadu. So it's one of the train station here. It's not stopping in this station because we will, after this, one more stop, and then we will be reaching the Chennai Central Station. This is the Basin Bridge Junction. So please, you're not stopping. Train is still moving. Another railway station is a local railway station. We call it Park Station. So we walk from Central Railway Station to here. It's quite tiring actually. Just I have to carry this. I have to carry this bag. That's my bags at the back. So when you're traveling, please do not bring any of heavy things. Travel light. It's too much. Really, very tiring. And it's hot here now. I'm here having this one. The next train is 4:20. As I can see from the chart. Okay, see you later.
Sorry, it's DJ.